Sanjay Kumar, because you actually have in your hands perhaps the most credible set of information about how these polls have panned out, because CSDS Lokniti has always done a post poll. What really stood out to you in terms of what some of the factors were barring Mamata Banerjee's win, and whether at all there was in fact a serious threat to the BJP? As I said, was it just largely perception, or was there in fact a threat that she managed to stave off?
No, I think it was largely the perception. But if you want me to narrate the factors which helped in Mamata Banerjee's victory,
yes,
I think, Srinivasan, you have already stated all the facts which contributed to Mamata Banerjee's victory. I can only give numbers to the statements which you have given.
Yes.
Yes, a huge amount of Muslim vote in favor of Mamata Banerjee. Yes, to the extent of between say 75 to 77%. So this election witnessed a huge consolidation of Muslim vote in favor of TMC, but only a consolidation of Muslim vote could not have given Mamata Banerjee the kind of victory she managed to achieve.
Right.
You talked about the other M, which is the Mahila. Yes, if you bifurcate the Mahila vote in terms of various caste community, if you look at any caste community, any section, and look at the vote of that section among the men and women for TMC, you see the difference. So just to give you an example,
yes,
so among the Brahmins, if the men Brahmins voted for TMC in the range of 35%, so among the women Brahmin, it was 40%. So among every single community, the difference in men and women was to the extent of 4 to 5 to 6%.
right.
That's a huge amount of shift in favor of, or that's a huge, that this kind of an advantage among women can give any party a huge advantage. And this is what has happened in West Bengal in favor of TMC. There are other factors also.
Okay.
If we compare it with 2019 election, Mamata Banerjee's party TMC trailed behind BJP among all the communities except for the Muslims. That's not has happened in 2021. Dalits have got divided more or less equally between TMC and BJP. And this applies to various other communities as well.
Okay. Very interesting. So you're saying that, I mean, that's why actually it's great to have you put the numbers to some of those, in a sense, anecdotal assumptions one has been making, that you do see an increased percentage of women voting over men across communities, and of course Muslims overwhelmingly voting. But did you also find any numbers that suggest that some of these schemes, that there was some popularity, or that also was giving the government some traction?
Absolutely. Absolutely. There is a lot of appraisal for the Trinamool government. If you look at any scheme, whether if we are talking even about say Bijli, Pani, Sadak, etc., so there is a positive appraisal of the government in terms of these deliverables. Also, if you talk about the schemes, lot of people, and when I say lot of people, about one scheme, say 20-25% people are willing to say, depend upon the scheme which was launched at which time.
Right.
A sizable number of people mentioned that they have benefited from the state government scheme.
Right.
The only 2 points on which people have been critical, one is employment opportunities, about which people still say employment opportunities have gone down, and the other point is about corruption. Large number of people ready to believe that there is a corruption in this government, but in spite of that, they voted for Mamata Banerjee.
Right.